All right, guys. So in today's video, I wanted to introduce you to something that I consider today being a modern day depression, and food is very expensive. Budgets are very, very low. People have expenditures coming out the wazoo. So in today's video, I want to show you an easy recipe, a hot dog stew that's going to save you time, save you money, and it's going to feed your whole family for at least a couple of days. So I hope you enjoy. All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to chop up an onion. The only difference between what I'm doing here and the 1930s version is they didn't use the fresh bacon just to make the hot dog stew. They had bacon fat. They would cook up bacon and they would save it for a whole day or a whole week or whatever it was, and then they take the fat and they use the fat to render everything down or to cook everything down. Anyway, but I'm going to use some fresh bacon here. I'm just going to chop it up. All right, so we got the bacon done, got the onions done. Now for the hot dogs. You don't have to worry about taking them out of the package. Just right like that. Matter of fact, if you keep them in the package, you can chop them up. And that way they're not flying all over the place. Just like that. Rough chop. Little tip there for you guys. When you're making this, keep the hot dogs right in the package. All right, we're all done with those ingredients. Now let's get them in the pan. All right, so I'm using my crock pot today, or Dutch oven. First thing we're going to put in there is the bacon. Now, people say, you got to wait until the bacon starts to fry up before you put anything else in there. Nah. Throw the onions right on in there. Don't worry about it. So let them cook for about 10 minutes, and we'll start the next ingredient. Alrighty, so now that the onions and the bacon have cooked a little bit, they got a little bit of color, you know what comes next? My favorite ingredient, garlic. I got one nice big heaping teaspoon right on in. Give that a good mixing through. Since we are going to be adding some type of a sauce to it, some type of a tomato-based sauce, I want one bay leaf in there. And that's just going to help break down some of the acidity and flavor up our tomato sauce. All right, now we got a little bit of color in the pan. Sorry. And got the onions, got the garlic, got the bacon, got that bay leaf in there. And it didn't seem to all break up nice. Just like that. Drop in our hot dogs. That's 3 packages of hot dogs. Mix them in there just like that. These hot dogs get nice and happy. Alrighty, so the hot dogs had a little time to get married to the onions and the garlic and the bacon. I'm going to go ahead and add, now these are just canned diced potatoes, right on in. That's a 15-ounce can. We're going to put 3 of them in there. Now, traditionally, they would cut up their own potatoes, but I want to make this quick and easy. Get that good mixing through a little bit. Got a little bit of juice is what we need in there. Now, I got 2 cans of carrots, and I'm going to add juice and all right in because we need to have some vegetables. Kids, make sure you eat your vegetables. 1 can of tomato sauce. Take that and just rinse a little bit of that out of there so we get all the tomato sauce out of there. Perfect. So I got here a little bit of oregano, a little bit of basil. Then you can buy tomato sauce that's already seasoned with basil and all that in it. But every time I ever get it, it always seems like there's too much. And a little bit of parsley. Mix that all in. Just like that. Guys, be careful because you will make a mess if you try to manhandle it. Just scoop from the bottom, lift it up. If it doesn't look like there's enough juice in there, which looks like there's plenty of juice in there for me, but if you need it more, you can always add another half cup of water. That's looking perfect, just the way it is. When these hot dogs start to release their juices, it's going to get even juicier in there. All right, now this is going to cook for 1.5 hours on low heat, and then we'll serve it up, show you what it looks like. Alrighty, everyone. Well, it has been about 1.5 hours now, and oh yeah, this hot dog stew is ready to go. Those hot dogs are all nice and look how plump they are. They're plump. They start to split. That's when you know the hot dogs are done. All right, let's get a bowl and see how we did. Dip our ladle right in here. I want to make sure you get a nice little bit of everything there. Oh yeah, got some hot dogs, got some juice, potatoes. All right, guys, let's have a taste test here. See how we did. Got some green onion, a little garnish on top because I like my green onion. I see that piece of bacon I want. All right. Cheers, everyone. Mm, that is so good. It's rich, but it's not overly rich. Believe it or not, you got a little bit of hint of bacon in there, but it's not overpowering. It's not oily. It has a nice little seasoning in it. Just all that goodness. That green onion just tops it all off. Guys, do me a favor. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.